Pagepilot Shopify tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Pagepilot on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Pagepilot and Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description for a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Pagepilot, it is an advanced AI tool tailored for making professionals specifically designed to enhance landing page creation and copywriting, in which it serves as a comprehensive resource for developing effective landing pages by providing expert guidance on both design and content strategies. And Pagepilot's functionalities include detailed analysis of landing page elements such as headlines, calls to actions, and overall content structure, helping users optimize their pages for higher conversion rates. And now to create an account on Pagepilot, you could also click the link in the description, or alternatively, you could also click the Start Now for Free button below here, in which upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page in here in which you can sign up using your Google account or fill out this email, first name, and password in here. And upon creating your own account, you'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Pagepilot. And it will show you at the website pang the option to start navigating, and under this Getting Started, it could also show you the step-by-step process, in which the first one is to simply generate your first product page by clicking this button right here, in which below it will show you the step-by-step on how you can do it. So just go to the dashboard option on the left side panel by clicking this one, and it will show us in here all of the product that I already have added on my Pagepilot in here. But to start generating, just click this generate button on the top right corner, and in this pop-up window, we can choose either AliExpress or Shopify. And I'm going to choose AliExpress in here, and all you need to do is to simply enter here the AliExpress product URL. So just simply go to your aliexpress.com, in which you'll be able to see a variety of products to choose from that you could also list to your Pagepilot, in which it is helpful in creating our own product page on Pagepilot. So you could also choose here a variety of categories: bestsellers, maybe also furniture, beauty and health, toys and games, luggage, home improvements, and many more. But let's say I'm going to choose this kind of shoes in here, in which we can see here the pricing, the media files, and also the title or the product angle. But at this point, I'm going to simply copy the name or the title of this product in here and paste it on this page. And just simply choose the language and click generate button to proceed. And at this point, all you need to do is wait for it to load the product data. And make sure to not close this page until it is fully loaded. And after that, you will now be able to see here that your product page is now currently building, such as the layout, copywriting, product page, and even Facebook ads creative in here are currently working or unloading. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. Then you will now be able to be directed on this page right here. And it will show you in here on this pop-up window some of the plan that they offer with its corresponding prices and benefits. But I'm going to close this one, and from here under this product overview, if you scroll down, it will show you in here this product images, the product that we just list from AliExpress. And aside from that, you could also navigate to customize this one, such as the title of it, the description in here. By clicking this pencil icon, you can simply add here the context that you prefer or delete some other context. So for instance, I'm going to add here the word shoes in here, and proceed by clicking the Save Changes button in order to save the changes. So moving on below here, you could also add other kind of elements and context in here are detailed. You could also see here the feedback, the description of the product in here, and even the button that would allow customer to purchase this kind of product in here. It will show you in here the Get Mine Now button. But to connect to our Shopify store, this product page, just click this Connect Shopify button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show us in here the step-by-step process to do so. All we need to do is simply enter the website URL and also the API key. And below it will show you how you can get the Shopify key. So just go to your Shopify account in here, and it will show you a variety of options to navigate on the left side panel. But kindly proceed by clicking the settings option in here. In order to go to apps and sales channel settings, by clicking this one, you will be able to see a variety of options to choose from, but just choose these apps and sales channels. And from here, just click this develop apps button, but you also need to simply follow all of the instructions in here or the step-by-step process as your guide in order to get the API key. So from here, just click develop apps button, then just proceed by clicking allow custom app development button below here to start or be directed on this page, and click again this allow custom app development and just proceed by clicking this create an app button. And on this pop-up window under this app name, just simply enter Pagepilot. Then proceed by clicking create app button to proceed, and upon doing so, you'll be directed on this Pagepilot overview. And for the step 3 in here, it will show you that you can simply go to your configure settings. So all you need to do is simply go back to this page right here and click configure admin API scopes, and upon doing so, under this admin API access, you simply choose or check the boxes of products and themes in here. So I'm going to click or search first under this products option and check these boxes, and after that, next that we need to find is simply themes and click these check boxes. And upon doing so, the next thing that we need to do is to simply save the changes. So just scroll down below and click the save button below to proceed. And upon doing that, the next thing that we need to do is simply install or click the install button in here to proceed. So just simply wait for it in order to get the API key in here. So at this point, all we need to do is to simply install, and all we need to do at this point is to simply wait for it to load. And after that, as you can see, we can now click this install app button and click install to proceed. And after that, it will show us in here the admin API access token, and all we need to do is simply reveal the token and simply copy it and go back to this page. And again, you simply paste under this Shopify key. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply copy the website URL. So just go back to this page and copy this URL of our online store on Shopify and click or paste it in here. Or alternatively, if you cannot find it, you could also go back to this page of Shopify and open your online store in here by clicking this eye icon to visit your online store. And after that, from here, just simply copy the link in here to proceed. And upon copying it, just proceed again on this page and paste the URL of our website in our Shopify store. Then click on next store button to proceed. However, as you can see, there's an error since the store is a password protected, and that is because we're only using the Shopify free trial in here. But if you have an upgrade account on Shopify, you will now be able to connect your store in here and connect your product page. And from here, if you also want to upgrade your account or plan, just click this plans and billing on the left side panel, and it will show us in here some of the plan that they offer with its corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan right here. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Pagepilot on Shopify. Thank you.